Another day, Sparky. Another day of dreams in the dust.
But dreams are made of bricks, right, Wrench?
We need something bigger. Something to really grab attention.
Like a giant Lego robot?
A car chassis. But not just any car.
A battle car!
We're building a battle car? Like a super tough one?
Exactly, Sparky. The toughest from all this junk.
Time to scavenge, my apprentice. Every piece counts.
Roger that, Wrench. Scavenging initiated.
This framework, it's solid. A good foundation. Ta-da! Found a power core. Extra loud, extra shiny. Excellent work, Sparky. Bring it over.
Coming in for a landing.
Careful now, line it up.
Almost got it. Perfect fit. Now for the wheels. Big wheels or super big wheels? Needs to handle rough terrain.
These ones. Maximum bounce.
These are heavy, but worth it.
My muscles are growing just carrying them.
Steady, Sparky, strong and straight.
Whoa! Almost a perfect spin.
Now that's what I call a stance.
It looks like it could roll over anything. Next, we need armor. Strong and sturdy. Bulletproof, brick-proof, everything-proof. Careful with the attachment, Sparky. Just making sure it's extra secure.
Now for the command center. Gotta keep the driver safe.
And cozy.
This windscreen, seen better days, but it'll do.
These seats look comfy for a battle.
Just needs a firm hand.
Looking good, Sparky. The foundations are strong. It's already a beast.
Now for the fun stuff. Defensive and offensive.
Missiles, rockets, laser beams. What's Wrench building now? Something shiny.
Looks like a fortress on wheels, boss.
Target acquisition systems online.
Extra bright ammo for extra dazzling action.
That's not just a car, that's a prize. And all those parts.
Our new ride, boss.
Power up. Needs to sound as mean as it looks.
Vroom, 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 boom.
Time to pay Wrench a visit and relieve him of his new toy.
Our pleasure, boss.
Details matter, Sparky. Intimidation is key. And visibility. Safety first, then intimidation.
Quiet, you two. We don't want to alert them just yet.
Oops. My bad, boss.
This turret will give us 360 degree coverage.
Found the perfect gear shifter.
Stay low, stay hidden. We want the element of surprise.
Got it, boss.
Almost there, Sparky. Just a few more tweaks.
Engage warp speed.
He's finished, Sparky. A true wasteland warrior.
Hooray for the Scrap Crusher!
All right, boys. That beauty is ours.
Time for a little repurposing. Now for the test drive. Hey, did you hear that?
Well, well, Wrench. What a lovely piece of scrap you've built. Boss, I assume? This isn't for sale.
No way. Everything is for sale, Wrench. Especially to the rightful owners of these parts.
Yeah, give it up.
These parts were found, and this car was built. It's ours.
Built with love.
You think you can just keep what we claim, old man?
Time for a scrap-off.
Sparky, get in the car.
On it, Wrench!
Time for the test drive with extra bad guys.
Don't let them get away! Grab Wrench! Full throttle, Sparky. Initiating boost. They're getting away! After them!
My shot! It bounced!
They're still coming. Deploy defenses.
Defense mode engaged!
Faster, you slowpokes! Don't let my prize get away!
But boss, my legs are Lego bricks.
Time for a little evasive action, Sparky.
Got it!
Is that a warning shot?
It's a regular old Lego stud, boss.
They expected an explosion, Sparky, not a friendly warning.
Totally unexpected. Genius!
They're mocking us! This means war! Uh-oh.
They're getting serious now. Time for Plan B. The super secret plan? Run, you fools! That car will be ours!
Almost there, boss. Prepare for
Confetti!
confetti? For bad guys? Confetti? What in the wasteland is this? It's sticky!
Never underestimate the power of pure silliness.
Best defense ever!
This is humiliating. I hate confetti.
At least we're colorful now, boss.
Fine. They win this round. For now.
Should we go back to the tower, boss?
That was an exciting first drive.
And a successful one. Good job, co-pilot.
This is what it's all about, Sparky. The open road and our awesome battle car.
A perfect lookout point.
King of the hill, king of the wasteland.
Never thought a pile of junk could become something so grand.
It just needed a little wrench magic.
Ready for more adventures, Sparky?
Always, Wrench. Let's build a whole fleet.
Next time, we bring bigger nets. And no confetti.
Maybe we should build our own awesome car, boss.
All right, Sparky. Let's show the wasteland what creativity can do.
Roger that, Captain Wrench. This wasteland is full of possibilities, Sparky, and we've got the best ride to explore them.
Oh,